Okay, there's two last things that you want to do to give your window a thorough cleaning. One of them, again, I've just rinsed this out in the pine sol water. The water's still getting a little dirty now, but I'm almost done, so I'm not going to bother with having another whole sink full of water. But you just want to run along the very top, okay? Again, that's where you're going to get a lot of dust building up right there. And then also, I just turn the cloth back to front. You want to catch these little toggles that you are touching every single day, every time you open your blinds, every morning, every evening. So you're going to have a little bit of, you're going to have some germs on there. So disinfectant is already on my cloth. Wipe it clean. And then last of all, I'm just going to do the very last thing. You've got to open your window, and it's just this lip that's on the inside of your window. It's between the glass, the outside panel and the inside panel. It's just this little lip right here. You're going to get the dust from the outside that goes through your screen and just sits right there at the bottom of the screen. So just wipe that out. You're just going to wipe that out with a damp cloth, and you're done. Your window's absolutely done. So everything here, probably about 15 minutes to do all of your windows and your blinds, but it's a job well worth doing because, you're not going to do that every week.